Hey everyone, Jason here. In this video, we're going to make the BOOTSTRAP Paracord Bracelet. Before we start the paracord weave, we'll set up by melting together two 5-foot lengths of paracord for a 9-inch bracelet. Then we'll attach the middle of our paracord to one side of our buckle using the common cow's hitch. After that, we're going to set up the opposite end by running the paracord through from the bottom of our buckle and then tying a basic cobra knot to hold it in place. Simply pass the left strand over the two core strands, then pass the right strand over it, and then behind the core strands, and then up through the loop on the left side, and cinch up the knot. Now let's start weaving the BOOTSTRAP Paracord Bracelet. Begin with the left strand and pass a small bight over the two core strands of paracord. From there, take your right strand and pass it diagonally over the bight and the core strands, wrapping around the back and then up through the bight, and then cinch up the knot. And that's the basic bootstrap weaving pattern. Now continue this pattern down the length of your bracelet. Left strand over the core strands and make a bight. Then your right strand passes diagonally over the bight and the core strands, wrapping around the back and then up through the bight. After a few weaves, you can cinch up your knots tight against each other and straighten them out. As you near the end of the bracelet, cinch the previous weaves up a little to make a tight finish, and then complete your last bootstrap weave. Left strand over the core strands, make a bight. Then your right strand passes diagonally over the bight and the core strands, wrapping around the back and then up through the bight. From there, all we need to do is cut and melt the tail ends of our paracord. So to trim the ends, I'm going to use a pair of scissors and cut the paracord a few millimeters away from the back of the bracelet. And then with a lighter, I melt the ends and squish the hot melted ends flat as shown here. And there you have it, the BOOTSTRAP Paracord Bracelet. If you thought this bracelet was easy to make and you'd like to see a really great one that's also very easy to make, then I recommend my video, the Baby Sanctified Paracord Bracelet. Link in the description. I hope you check it out, and thanks for watching.